Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to restore delete files. Friends, you have delete your phone photos, videos and any files. So by how to restore means guys how to recover delete file on oppo phone device. So before starting video then first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So if first of all guys you have this google file, so I on this google file, and guys now I will show you guys, I will delete guys some photos. This is screenshot friends, I will delete 5 screenshot, I will delete guys. You can see move to trash, tap here guys, this photo will delete. And friends, first of all guys click on three lines guys, tap here guys, and guys click here. Friends, you can check your videos and photos guys which you have deleted on your oppo phone device guys. So guys we will select which photo fans you have, you want to restore and recover. So when you can see restore fans, tap here and tap here. So guys your photo will restore, and guys again you can use these photos. And guys when you will delete from your trust size, and tap here again, as you can see the trust. So you cannot recover this photo guys after delete guys. So which photo guys you have on your trust, so you can restore. Same guy with video guys, you will delete videos. So again guys I will delete these photos, trash size, and fence trash size we can check, and then which photo and video you want to unhide. Oh I sorry guys, restore. So can select and restore guys, this photo will restore, and guys again we can use these photos. So like that guys we can restore our photos and video from your google file. So like that guys we can restore delete file on our oppo phone device. So bye bye guys.